One of the actions we can take to free up space on our server and avoid loading problems is to compress the size of our images. The issue is that WordPress doesn't allow us to filter our files by size. So, in this video, we want to show you how to filter all your images by size in a CSV file using the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. This tool displays all your files in an easy-to-use spreadsheet where you can export and import information, do advanced searches, do bulk edits of thousands of files, etc. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to see our written guide. Once you have installed and opened our plugin, we'll look for all the images. We'll do this since the spreadsheet will show all types of files, such as videos, images, zip, audios, etc. To do this, we'll open the search tool. Once the tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Then select Format. The operator will be contains. Now we'll enter image as the value. Finally, run the search. After we have filtered all the images on our site, we can sort the file size directly in the spreadsheet. To do this, we just need to load all the rows. Then go to the file size column and sort the images from smallest to largest or vice versa. In case you have too many images to sort, instead of loading all the rows, you can export the images to do it from Excel or Google Sheets. To do so, we'll open the Export tool. Select the columns you want to export. In this case, we'll export all of them. Optionally, select the app you'll use to edit the CSV file. And download the file to your computer. This is an example of how the information we export is displayed in Google Sheets. Now you can go to the file size column and sort the values from A to Z. This way, you'll see which of your images are bigger and which are smaller. Now that you have ordered your files by size, you decide if you want to compress them and then upload them to WordPress again. As you can see, it was really simple and fast, and the best thing is that you didn't have to spend many hours searching and comparing your images thanks to the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.